Guys, let's put our clothes inside and test it. Yes, let's put clothes inside and test it. We are going to be putting it on mix. Hope this black cloth is not washing. And what happened? I wash it here. So let's work for my girls, because they have been working so hard and tiredly in this house. Let's try it. All right. Woo! Okay. They said that here is for detergent. So let's pour our detergent here. Okay. Let's pour our detergent here. I don't know if it will be enough or it's too much for this. So, and let's close it. So we are washing mixed clothes, not just echo. We are washing mixed clothes. So let's put it on mix. This is mixed. How many hours? 1 hour. 1 hour 58, almost 2 hours. No. Maybe they don't go take their light. I beg. People will get light. Where did they reduce them? 3 hours, okay? 2 hours. I don't understand. I want to reduce it now. I saw one lady. Wait. Should I keep it in this 1 hour 50? I beg. I don't know where to reduce it. I wanted to reduce it. I don't know where to reduce it. In case if you people know, just tell me on the comment section. I want to reduce. Reduce. It's not reducing. Instead of reducing, is adding. Instead of reducing, is adding. So 1 hour 58 minutes, almost 2 hours. When this will not go carry this light, God I beg go. If they carry it, it will start from where it stopped. So let's start it. Boom. It's locked. Look, I'll come and get the lock. It's locked, so it's locked now. So you can't open this one now. It's still open space now. Check the open space with the use for our former compound. It's open space we use. I'll look for the video and do this thing and attach it to this video. It's open space we use, but it's not Hisense. It's not this type. Look at it. It's already rolling. It's already rolling. So let's wait till stand up, madam. Let's wait till almost 2 hours. 1 hour 58 minutes. Okay, bye. See you then.